Welcome to Ajas Education. In today's lesson, we will learn how to use the CONCATENATEX function in an Excel pivot table. The data we have consists of task IDs, team names, and employee names. Our goal is to create a list that identifies the roles of employees and their team numbers. To achieve this, we can follow a simple method using a pivot table. Here are the steps. Select the cells containing the records. Go to the pivot table option. Choose the classic view if available. Drag and drop the task ID into the row section. Similarly, place the task number in the column section. Add the display name and set it in the value section. However, you may notice that the names of employees are not visible. Frustrating, right? But don't worry, we have another option. Follow these steps. Create a new pivot table by selecting the entire record set. In the pivot table options, click on Add this data to the data model. Set the view to classic view. Go to the pivot table fields and right-click on the range. Select Add Measure. Specify a name for the measure, for example, combined name. In the formula field, write CONCATENATEX, then mention the range and the display name you want to elaborate on. You can find the complete formula in the video description. Now repeat the previous steps. Drag and drop the task ID into the row section. Repeat the same for the task number in the column section. However, this time, place the combined name in the value section. Fantastic! You can now see the names of employees displayed in the pivot table. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking it and subscribing to my YouTube channel.